Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add subtitles to your YouTube Shorts right from your phone. First, open the YouTube app on your mobile. Tap the plus button at the bottom and choose Create a Short. Record your video or upload one from your gallery. Once your short is loaded, tap the check mark to move to the editing screen. Your select text at the bottom. Type the words you want to appear as subtitles. You can drag and place the text where you want it on the screen. To match it with your voice or video timing, tap the timeline icon and adjust when the text appears and disappears. Repeat this process for each line of subtitles until your video is complete. When you're done, tap Next. Add your title and details and hit Upload. And that's it. You've successfully added subtitles to your YouTube Shorts so viewers can follow along even without sound. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.